Fully updated move-in ready spacious ranch in a very desirable neighborhood within walking distance to schools. Boasting 2,800 finished square feet west/3 BDR and 3 full baths. Featuring updated open eat and kitchen featuring west/granite countertops, tiled backsplash, newer stainless steel appliances, all newer LVT flooring throughout, custom cabinetry with crown molding and center island west/snack bar. Spacious living room with a beautiful brick fireplace. 3 good-sized bedrooms on main floor, including the private primary with attached updated full bath, updated hall bath west/tub. Finished basement is a great space for entertaining family with second full kitchen west/all the appliances, sink and snack bar open to large recreation room with a second fireplace. 4th possible BDR, updated full BTH and laundry room. Spacious fenced-in backyard, large patio west/fire pit. Additional upgrades include new roof deck 2024.